Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the right path. YouTube app with premium for native background play or Safari desktop mode for a free workaround. You open the video and press play now. Do not minimize yet. If you plan to use the app, make sure you're signed in and background app refresh is enabled so the system won't suspend audio. If you use Safari, be ready to request the desktop site in the next step so lock screen controls will appear. Once done with the initial play, follow the specific execution. In the YouTube app, go to Settings, right arrow Background and Downloads, and set background playback to always or headphones, then resume the video. For Safari, tap the address bar's icon, request desktop website, reload the page and play the video that forces persistent media controls. After playback begins, press the home button or swipe up to leave the browser. Make sure the audio keeps running so the lock screen control layer can register the stream. Now lock your iPhone and you should see playback controls on the lock screen. Tap play, pause, or slide the scrubber to move the audio. If the audio halts when locking, unlock Open Control Center and press play, that reconnects the session. Make sure background app refresh and cellular data are allowed for YouTube and that you're signed in if using premium. If problems persist, update iOS and the app, or use the Safari desktop site method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.